what's up? It's your boy G-Kid from Live Fast. We back at it again. Today, what we about to do was about to change this car, and possibly forever. I'm gonna see if my pops got an extra key fob over at the shop, and I can see if I can get that program for this Acura Integra. That will change the fate of this car's very existence. Anyways, let's get to it. Let's get going. Okay, so what happens is, no key fob, Pops didn't have one. That's all right though. What we really about to do though is I got an install coming up right now for you. Gotta wait for the package to get here, but I'm so hype about it. As you can tell from the title of the video, you already know what's getting installed today, what's getting added to Project Acura Integra today. Anyways, let's just jump right into it. I'll get back to y'all once I get the package here. Boy, got his packages, fam. I swear I'll be waiting on that man like, yo, where you at, fam? I seen a meme the other day and it was like, you used to wait for the ice cream truck and now you wait for the UPS man. Facts. Anyways, let's crack into this box and let's see what we got today. Let's crack this open, playboy. Custom knife from my homeboy. Let's get it open. Paper. Well, I gotta reach all the way down in here. All the way down in here. Another package inside of a package. Let's crack this open. Handy dandy knife. Let's see what we got here. Time to go beast mode on that package, boy. Woo! And we got some other stuff in here. Added some instructions. We don't use instructions around here. So what I got here today is, I got Max Pow hat struts. What these are gonna help me do is help my hat stay up. Cause as of right now, I'm gonna just show y'all real quick what's going on with the hat. That's right now. Make my way over here. So when I go to pop it, it's like this. You can see it's not holding it up. It's not holding it up. The hat strut stopped working. So that's what we're gonna solve today. Let's get into it. Now it's time to break it down and show you how to install this really quickly. Let's get it popping. So the first thing you're gonna need, small little flathead screwdriver. You're gonna get right up in here, right there. You're gonna take the screwdriver and pop this little plastic piece off. I'll pop that off. See how that came off? And then on the inside, see if I can show you on the other side. Then on the inside, a little clip here. Gonna get right in there and pop that off. It's a little E-clip is what they call them. So now you want to check to make sure yours came with all the hardware. Otherwise, you're going to make sure that you keep onto those pieces that you need. Mine's came with the little E-clip in there. Mine's came with all the little hardware that I need. So it came with so next you're going to need is a 12mm open-ended wrench. Now it's time to install the new hardware. Let's get it. Now see, the thing to pay attention to is this one actually installs almost upside down from the one that was originally on there. So this part is gonna be up top. There we are, super simple. I guess now it's time to get some product shots in here. Let's get it. Well, super easy, super simple. Techie just got his first mod, hat struts installed. Y'all just watched it go down. Anyways, it's your boy from Live Fast. We out again with another one. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace.